A registered dietitian shares the best drinks to order at the popular coffee chain when you're managing blood sugar levels. Nevertheless, even though Starbucks has a long list of drinks with a high sugar count, there are still quite a few drink options that don't provide such a high amount of sugar with every sip. For people with diabetes looking for low-sugar Starbucks drink options, some of the best sips to snag that won't spike your blood sugar next time you find yourself on a Starbucks line. 1. Black coffee. If you have diabetes and are looking to reduce your sugar intake, a classic cup of black coffee is an easy go-to order. The OG coffee order is naturally added sugar-free and is a source of natural antioxidants. If you like your coffee black, you can continue to enjoy your favorite cup of joe, even if you are managing diabetes. Research even shows that drinking coffee can reduce your risk of developing diabetes in the first place. A 2020 study published in Diabetes Care suggests that those who drank at least 1 cup of coffee a day may experience a decreased risk of developing diabetes. 2. Short latte. If drinking coffee black isn't your cup of tea, Maneker also recommends ordering a small latte if you're looking for something fancier. A short latte is actually smaller than the usual tall size, clocking in at 8 ounces in your cup versus the usual 12. A latte is made with 2 ingredients, milk and espresso, Maneker says. While there are natural sugars in milk, this drink does not contain added sugars. Because milk does contain lactose, a natural sugar found in dairy products, the type of milk in the latte does matter when it comes to managing blood sugar levels. 3. Iced green tea. Not a coffee person but still looking for something refreshing? Starbucks does offer a selection of unsweetened iced teas, including green tea. Green tea is naturally free from added sugars, and it contains natural compounds that may offer unique benefits for those with type 2 diabetes. Sipping on this iced option offers a subtle flavor without being overpowering. If your diet includes it, feel free to add a sugar alternative, like stevia, to your tea for some sweetness. 4. Cold brew coffee. If you're not a fan of the usual iced coffee order at Starbucks, their cold brew is also a great option for those who love a stronger sip. Cold brew coffee is sugar-free and contains very few calories. This drink has a satisfying richness that will leave you not even missing the added sugars. Again, if drinking black coffee doesn't sound appealing, you can always add a splash of milk, which adds some satiating protein and fat, both known for stabilizing blood sugar levels.